Welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to learn how to use the RANK.EQ, RANK.AVG and RANK plus COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel. These all functions are the type of rank function to calculate the rank of a value in a list. Here you can see the formula syntax of rank function and its description is given. Rank function returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers, which means the size of each number relative to other values in the list. If more than one values has the same rank, the top rank of that set of value is returned. It means that in case of same value, they will be given the same rank. First of all, here in the C column, let me use rank.eq function to calculate the rank. Press equal to, type the rank function. Here you can see rank function, rank.eq function both given. This rank function is for the compatibility with Excel 2007 and earlier, but you can still use this function. Both of these two functions works in the same way, but this is the latest one, so select this rank.eq. Now in the number parameter, click on the number, give a comma. In the reference parameter, we have to select the list of numbers in which we are calculating the rank. Now we have to lock this range because later when we copy this formula down, this range should remain constant. So press F4 key in the keyboard to lock this range, which applies the dollar symbols. Now give a comma. In the order parameter, we have to select either descending or ascending. If you select the descending, the highest value will be given the highest rank and the lowest value will be given the lowest rank. In ascending, the lowest value will get the first rank and the highest will get the last rank. In case of sales revenues, we have to take the descending one. So double click on that. That will put 0 here. 0 means descending and 1 means ascending. Now close the parenthesis. Press enter. The result is given as 2 because this value has second rank compared to other values here. Now drag this formula down by using the fill handle and you see the rank is calculated. This is the highest value here, that's why rank 1 is given. In case of the duplicate values or tie values, the same rank is given. Like here you see these two values are the duplicate and you see the rank is given same. Now let's go to another function, that is rank.average. If you want to handle the tie values differently, then you can use the rank.average function. In rank.average, the tied values will be averaged out. Press equal to, type rank. Here you see the rank.average function given. Double click on it to choose. Then in the number parameters, select this number, comma. In the reference, select this range. Lock this by pressing F4 key, comma. In the order, select descending, close parenthesis and press enter. Now if you drag the formula down, here you see the rank of the tied values are averaged out, given as 9.5. In this case, it will be easier for you to figure out the tied rank. The next function is the combination of rank.eq plus COUNTIF. This is for ignoring the tie values. If you want to give the rank continuously without considering the tie values, then you can use the combination of rank.eq plus COUNTIF. So use the formula in this way. Press equals, choose this rank.eq function. In the number, click on this number, comma. In reference, select this range and lock it, comma. In the order, select descending order, close this. Now type the plus symbol, open a parenthesis, then use here COUNTIF function. Choose this COUNTIF function. Now in the range parameter of the COUNTIF function, click on this first cell, then type the colon symbol, then it will give another B4 cell reference here. Now lock this first B4 cell reference. So click between B and 4, then press the F4 key. That will lock this first range. Now click at the end, then give a comma. In the criteria, again select the first cell, that is the B4 cell. Close the COUNTIF function. Now subtract 1 from it, then close parenthesis. Now press enter and here you see the rank is calculated. Simply use the fill handle to drag it down, and here you see in this case the tie values are ignored. In case of tie value also, there is a continuous ranking. So this is how we can use the rank.EQ function to calculate the rank, and use the rank.average and rank.EQ plus COUNTIF to handle the tie values. And if you want to practice this function, you can download this sample workbook file from the video description below. If this tutorial was useful, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on the like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar kind of video updates in future. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next tutorial.